Hey Scots, I'm Bree.
Welcome back to Scots Weekly, I'm Kim.
And let's get into some announcements for today.
First, juniors and seniors, if you went to prom last Saturday, stop by the activities office for any lost items and some prom swag.
Second, attention all seniors. Please sign up with Mr. Hernandez in the administration office if you're interested in auditioning as a third speaker for graduation. You will be giving a speech perimeter when you sign up. The deadline to sign up is Tuesday, May 14th by 4 p.m. Auditions will be held on Wednesday, May 15th at 4 p.m. in the wall.
Third, attention all seniors. If you missed the Naviance survey in your English class and would like to be recognized during our senior assembly that takes place on May 16th at 6 p.m. in the wall, please fill out the survey using the QR code.
Now for a quick commercial break.
Listen up, Scots.
Welcome back.
Let's go with our sports team.
Hello Scots, I'm Silas Salva,
Welcome to Sports, I'm Peter Parr.
and we have some sports announcements for you guys.
Congratulations to Coach Posadas for winning the Bakersfield, California Coach of the Year for the second time. Keep up the great work, Coach.
On May 10th, boys basketball is hosting a 3-on-3 tournament from 1:45 to 4 p.m. There will both be a boys and girls division, so gather up a couple of your friends and sign-up papers will be in Coach Valdez's room in 14J.
Seniors, if you do not pick up your cap and gown on Monday, they are available in the activities office before school, lunch, or after school, not during class. You must have an ID to pick up.
Congratulations to the female juniors who won against the seniors during the Powder Puff game last week. Check out these pictures from the game.
We are done.
Nice.
Let's go back with Kim and Bree.
Thank you guys.
Let's go with Savannah on the go.
Savannah on the go.
Hi, my name is Savannah, and this is Savannah on the Go. Today we're going to be asking the question to seniors specifically what their plans are after high school. My personal plans is I'm going to California State University Northridge, and I'm going up to film school. Let's check out what the seniors are. Let's go. Hi, who am I speaking with?
You're speaking with Alex.
And what are your plans after high school?
I'm going to do community college for 2 years, and then I'm going to Cal Poly San Luis Obispo. Go Mustangs.
Hi, who am I speaking with?
Brylan.
And what are your plans after high school?
Going to community college for a few years and then transferring to UC Davis. Go Aggies.
What are your plans? What are your plans after high school?
I'm going to go to some college, and then I'm joining the Navy.
Hell yeah, brother. Hi, who am I speaking with?
Jennifer.
And what are your plans after high school?
I plan to attend BC and play softball.
Hi, who am I speaking with?
Ethan Guzman.
Nice to meet you. And what are your plans after high school?
I'm going to trade school to be a welder.
So we're doing it like this because I'm gonna be the cameraman right now. So I'm gonna interview my cameraman, who is a senior. His name's Michael. He's helped me on every single Savannah Go, and I think he deserves a shout out in a way. Who am I speaking with?
Speaking with Michael Schwartz.
Nice to meet you, Michael. And what are your plans after high school?
After high school, my first plan is to just find employment and a job, but then once I move out of state, I'll find a college, some university to head to. Probably go 2-4 years.
Good job, Michael. Good job, Michael. And thank you for being my cameraman on Savannah on the Go. And yeah, all right. I think this is it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week. Peace out.
Thank you for the segment.
Check out this video showing some amazing art pieces.
for watching today's show.
And always remember to Plaid up.